our story, who we are and why that matters. So what do we mean when we say crypto made easy? Well, it's more than a catchy slogan. This is our mantra, and it is our story. See, for too many people, crypto is hard. It can be difficult to learn, confusing to understand, and laden with risk. EazyBot was born from this struggle. You see, during the spring of 2021, CEO and founder Muhammad Ali was confronted with these realities. Having stumbled through his own challenges and losses, he saw the potential of an automated crypto trade. He saw the potential of automated crypto trading. He was introduced to a solution that performed well at first, but as the market took a massive drop, everything changed. He and those he introduced to this platform were no longer experiencing the best of crypto and no longer making profits. But when problems inspire solutions, genius is born. And so, unwilling to allow his friends to sit in frustration and panic, Muhammad went to work. He leaned into his professional training as an engineer and his passion for numbers. He began developing a strategy that eventually saw their trades and portfolios begin to grow again and perform again. Over the next few months, that winning strategy evolved beyond the capabilities of the platform he was using, and the vision for EazyBot was born. Now, EazyBot is special. It's powered by amazing technology and brilliant strategy. However, what makes EazyBot most special to us is the people and the problems that it was designed to solve. We believe that crypto is the future and it doesn't have to be hard. So we made it easy.